as we watch Kалкан of Kyrgyzstan go next. This could be quick. Kyrgyzstan Alga. Like I said, any team that's in position for the human ladder in a minute or under is certainly a team to watch. Just past the 50-second mark for Kалкан of Kyrgyzstan. And already they're up and they're over. Oh, this is good. It's a joy to watch, isn't it? They are going round here at a fair old lick. Across the 2-minute mark for Kалкан of Kyrgyzstan. It is Maghreb. It is sunset here in Dubai. One more for Kалкан of Kyrgyzstan. You can hear the cries of "Davai, Davai, let's go." .354 to beat. We've just had the first across the rope swing. We've crossed the 3-minute mark. Remember, 3:54. I don't think they're going to make it inside the 4-minute mark, but who knows? Who knows? Could be tight. They're being cheered on. Kалкан of Kyrgyzstan. They're not going to beat the Rwandan police's time of 3:54, which they pass now. But can they come in under 4 minutes? Yes, 3.